Hi everyone, this is my e-portfolio. So my name is Yizhong and my subject area is early childhood education. This is my e-portfolio about my belief. For my belief, I think educating the children is not just teach them knowledge, it also to educate them how to be a better person in the future and to build them a positive value. So for my best artifact, I want to show you guys my gallery about about my 3 lesson plan. So the first lesson plan is the problem-based learning lesson plan. For this lesson plan, our topic title is to become a healthy person. So for this lesson plan, the main idea I want to show my students they can get more skills to live healthier and know about more our healthy problem. And for this part, I also allow them to do presentation and to do their own poster. So here is the example of the poster. So I think it is a good way to help them and give them a better future. This is the rubric. I also have a lesson plan called digital citizenship. This is talk about online, go places safely online. So for this lesson plan, it includes some rules and tips to how to online safety. For this lesson plan, I use one artifact and my two partner also use 2 artifacts to complete this lesson plan. I think for this one, it's very necessary and to protect them for our technology life. We need to gain more skills to protect ourselves, to protect our reputation. And if we meet some bad situation, we need to know how to do and know about the online safety's importance. So the third artifact I think is really good. It's a computational thinking lesson plan. It is about happy maps, which is learning algorithm and programming. So we use a simple math map to help students get more skills about how to understand programming, how to create your own code to get someone. So this is a computational thinking. So I think for this lesson plan, the best part is we do the math map. Students need to try their best to get their own ability, to get their own result, and to process their own and to understand programming in the process. Also know about computational thinking. So this is my 3 best artifacts for me. Also, I think for my future class, the technology is really important. And so the Chatterpix, it's like
Hi,
we can create a short video, and I think this is a simple and fun way. So it is really suitable for students to come with their ability of creation. Also, like the Twitter chat, Smart, the Kahoot, it's a really good. These are really good tools to use in my future classroom, because everything I can use it for help students deep understanding what they want to learn and what they want to know. So for the reflection, so in future I want to improve many things. I want my teaching stuff is connected with our IIST standard, because you see there are 5.5 points of the native standard. This is really good. It's really specific, and I think it's a really good resource for me to improve my teaching skills and find many tips to know how to help students. So like this page, I show that my production and PBL lesson plan is connected with the first point, also like the following points. So I think this is a fun way. So this is my favorite. This is my result for this class. Also, is so wonderful and so happy that I'm so appreciate learn minor skills in the W200 class. Thank you guys.